Hey y'all, well, our little glow pop that we got from the Great Gardening Plants didn't make it, but lucky for us, we found an even bigger one. So over here on the other side of the swing, we had a 2-gallon one that we put in. It's kind of in the shade, so hopefully y'all can see that. And then on this side, we had but just a quart that we had ordered online. And then we found this one, so I'm thinking that this glow pop maybe will be readily available next year for 2026, seeing that we have found it a couple of times at our local nurseries that don't always have the best selection. So if you didn't catch it before, they get 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. And so we're gonna just put this one in really quick. It's kind of noisy in the neighborhood, so sorry about that, but it's the best time for us to get it in. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we got it out of the pot, and it is very rooty. We'll definitely have to make sure that we break these roots up really good. I wanted y'all to get a look at that. Really nice though. This is pretty basic. We've got some biotone already in the hole, and we're gonna put the plant in, just tuck it in nicely, and then we'll be all done. Now we have it all tucked in. We're just gonna water it really well, because even though it's fall time, y'all, we haven't had any significant rain for almost 2 months now. It is super dry around here, so I'm gonna make sure that we get it watered in well and that we come back and check on it regularly. Right now I'm watering about every other day, trying to do a good deep watering, but it's just so dry that it's even doing every other day isn't quite enough. But I don't want to do more because I don't want the roots to get too waterlogged. The next thing we're going to do is do a little bit of fall cleanup. I've already started doing some of it. I started doing right here this bee balm. This is the upscale lavender taffeta bee balm. We had a lot of weeds growing up in our bee balm, and it was really floppy, and also I was trying to there's a new growth coming up underneath, and because we won't get another frost for a while, I thought I had time to go ahead and give it one more cut back. We'll see how that works. So I wanted y'all to know that the quart glow pop holly that we got from Great Garden Plants, I'm not sure why it didn't take right here. It is a little bit moisture closer over to this area, so maybe it was just too wet. I don't know. That just happens sometimes with plants, but they were great. They have a 60-day guarantee, and they were easy to work with, so I wouldn't not order from them again because of this one plant. I mean, as y'all saw, or if you haven't yet, head over and watch that video of the unboxing. We actually have 2 from Great Garden Plants. Y'all, I would order from them 100% over again, and to only lose 1 plant is just not that big of a deal. But I am glad that we were able to get this in a 3-gallon. I did want to show y'all real quick though, just the tag here. Oh. So it's the Glow Pop Japanese Holly from Proven Winners. It can do sun or part sun, and it gets 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, spacing at 2 to 4 feet. With it being evergreen, it's got year-round interest, which is why I wanted to put that here. So as you can see, this is some Baptisia. This is the blue bubbly Baptisia back behind it. And we're fixing to take this down. We cut that back in the fall because it starts just turning black and it breaks anyways. And it's had a little bit of bug issues, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut it back early, and I think it'll be fine. But then with this Japanese holly, we'll have some interest in this area, as everything else is a perennial or deciduous. So I wanted to get y'all a before, so y'all can appreciate the transformation of when we take this Baptisia out, what a difference it'll make. And wow, I'll be really glad that we have these hollies for an evergreen interest. And like I told y'all, it would make a big impact with them not here. And of course, this tall sweet potato vine will be gone in a few months, as soon as we get our first frost. But let me show y'all another reason why we go ahead and take these back. Not only because they turn black, the stems die, and there were bugs in there. But y'all, look, this is all Scentlandia suckers. So we'll have to pull all of these back and trim them. And there was also, I don't know the name of it, looks like a mimosa tree. We get those really bad in the fall, so we've had a chance to get those, which helps lessen the seed load.